Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use eye contact correction in CapCut Mobile. I was editing and taking a video in CapCut recently, and I noticed the subject wasn't really looking at the camera, which can make the clip feel a bit disconnected. So I tried the eye contact correction feature, and it's honestly one of those small edits that makes a big difference. I opened CapCut, started a new project, and selected my clip. After placing it on the timeline, I'll tap on the video clip itself to bring up the editing tools. Then I scroll all the way through the options until I found eye contact. Once I toggle it on, CapCut automatically adjusted the eye direction so it looked like the person was facing the camera more directly. Takes a few seconds to process, but the change is surprisingly natural. If you're working with multiple clips, you can also apply the effects across all of them to keep everything consistent. It's a subtle upgrade, but it makes your video feel way more engaging, like the viewer actually has your attention. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.